Okay, so see the next program, what FAQ6, what is the output of this program, following program. As usual, declare header files, main function, start the program. So within the program you are mentioning a integer a equal to 10. So you take constant value a value 10. So here using a equal to plus 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 a. So see this one, a plus plus a. So how system internally, compiler internally calculates, how it will manipulate the value, how to manipulate either this way or the a value or this way. Note this one, this is known as unary operator. I am telling you, this is increment operator is a unary operator. It proceeds from right to left, right to left. So a plus plus, the a value becomes 10. So 10 plus 10, it's a invalid process, means you are getting the output 20, it is invalid. This one is invalid. Why? Because this is the proceeds to right, left to right. It's not a correct procedure. So system internally the compiler how calculates, means checks right to left, right to left. So plus plus, the pre-increment, so the a value becomes 10, 10 is converted into 11. So one value increments, so a value becomes 11. So 11 plus a. So increment the value, a value becomes 11. So 11 plus 11, 11 plus 10 becomes a equal to 21. When you print the a value, display 21. Output of this program is 21. FAQ6, what is the output of this program? So say the output, declare int a equal to 10, a equal to, assigning the operator a plus plus c. Okay, so it proceeds from right to left. Remember, printf a equal to percentage d comma a. So see the output, compile, a equal to 21. It will show a equal to 21.